Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add a link to your YouTube channel bio. So, let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to your YouTube channel and open YouTube Studio. Once you are in the channel dashboard, from the left sidebar, scroll down to find Customization. Once you find it, click on it to open. From the right tab, open Basic Info. Now scroll down the page, and here is the Add Link feature. You can share your website or other social media links with your viewers. To add a link, simply click on it. In the first box, type the link title. In the next box, enter the website or other social media account URL. Once all is done, from the top right corner, click on the Publish button. To have a preview, let's open your channel. And there, you will see the link that you added to the channel bio. And that's it. This is how you can easily add a link to your YouTube channel bio. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.